Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the theme Junkie ReviewPro WordPress theme step by step. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to create a product review, affiliate marketing, or niche blog website using ReviewPro. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the ReviewPro theme. First, log into your Theme Junkie account and download the ReviewPro theme zip file. Always make sure you are using an official and licensed version to receive updates and support. Step 2. Log into WordPress dashboard. Now open your browser and go to yourdomain.com/wpadmin. Then log in using your WordPress username and password. Step 3. Upload the ReviewPro theme. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Next, click Add New, then Upload Theme. Choose the ReviewPro zip file from your computer and click Install Now. WordPress will now install the theme for you. Step 4. Activate the theme. Once the installation is complete, click Activate. Your ReviewPro theme is now live on your website. Step 5. Install recommended plugins. After activation, ReviewPro may recommend some plugins. Click Install Plugins, then install and activate all recommended plugins to unlock full theme functionality. Step 6. Import demo content, if available. If demo content is available, go to the Theme Options panel and import the demo. This will help you quickly set up your website with a ready-made design and sample content. Step 7. Basic theme customization. Now go to Appearance Customize. From here, you can upload your logo, change colors and fonts, adjust layout settings, customize header and footer. ReviewPro also provides built-in review options, allowing you to add ratings, pros and cons, and summary boxes to your posts. Step 8. Create your first review post. To add a review, go to Posts, Add New. Write your content and use the ReviewPro review settings to add scores, ratings, and review details.